Pinia dapa bir talong penili sami deng mir kiling pi non bir tang ton pen arju ponek tha.
Nilip MSC Constituency ke parlo choki hola habar richomili chunteron arong along don thom sose lapen timung arong along don nerke pangrum petpen don crazy sose ahem kedam tang aruni phai truck arni anarlo por phai kep apor malam men tumon parting ke japen hema sarnu lapen hem kana hokdun Nilip MSC Constituency along ke anikan bangta e phong lapen phong ni lapuson jangmia cheklo arua cheklo malam jasemet tomon parting ke japen hembrit kan hogdun dober lesson thought si aruni phai truck arni setame radatum ahemarit penang an kan hogdun dolo dong sekot pen pherangkia tum birta long si adima klong humri damlo chun teron arong amekar babu singh teron lapen moses phangcho alangli ke inut Nilip Constituency along film lun mohor kinep lapen film script writer ke toka bangphu ahem pen chenglok adunga hem lapen timungarong pen don crazy ahem kan hogdun pen ke choki jun ke do ke thak peri anta cham lablo ajo ke sang jadim ta kasik sak thektik angdenglo lasiki sung ke phwa hem tunatum adimalong an Karbianglong Disaster Management Authority Karbianglong atum prabjin pen humri damsi kenang sot asonamung an kerap pidam theka sontik misenji Perang kepen birta ke tokbom aporahot anke kapre ke theki dingatum kahumridam atum avelan lapen kerap ke pajardam ave pinla halapu panjan ramlek the arong along kadokabe don thom kep sose ahem kana hogdun lapen richumili along don crazy pangrum pet don plikep raisi sose ahem kana hogdun ahem tunatum nonamat kisung thektika sonsi thekpon longlo News report KATV News. Ningkan plikep sose Karbianglong arat lapen dimahasau aradakar inai hempre kang thimate article 244A kedamtang ningkan plikep sose aprangpen setami ratatum nangche song bom bang bomlo bonta bang so kache song piniarni asap ota kichunang the kavedera jo nonang keleji bosik ni phai kreke thom arni Karbianglong arlo hempre ki hanga menpen घंटाइन करपली कांकीर पेडोपंजी पुरा फोरम फॉर हिल्स ऑटोनोमस स्टेट मूवमेंट अतुमपेन फिरांकिया माय अलोंगपेन राडाफान पचिनीपोन
पेपर मीडिया तो कंसमेट स्टीपो लपेन जनरल पब्लिक तो कंसमेट itu lapang paklang ko itu lapen ali tuta lapang paklang ko ko sing dilo dilita kore ya ko official bound notice forum for hills autonomous state movement itu Karbianglong to the general public local authorities media houses and all concerned citizens. Subject 24 hours peaceful bond in Karbianglong and Dimahasau. The Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement hereby declares a 24 hours peaceful bond across Karbianglong East and West District on 13 May 2025 from 5 AM to 5 AM of 14 May
Jasemet bangso pherangkia mai along alangli tuma hin pen ki pachini pona tenki ajak ding klui pen kache song Karbia rat akar inai hempre kang thima farman nangche song bom bang bomlo lapen laso kache song along komat ne atumke apran ke dam nang avia phi ki bunang atum satami dolo bonta lapo an epran chipi det kache song asai deng derap hit an satami state government atum bangso kache song aputhak RD ki pipon asapta kavidera joksi non anabanke Karbianglong arlo kang hapasai an satami deng nang koklo pusi alangli tuma hin pen pachini pon lapen jongsi la घंटाइन करपली kang hapon kache song pona longta state government atum thangnat asai ke deng pona bi pulote ke bangjilang arni penke la anso se setami kache song asai deng pona kokpo pusi pachini pon
Karbianglong is rest upon nitum appeal kachuning li labang guru bore pon po appeal for peaceful democratic protest to assert constitutional demand under article 2448 to all respected leaders of political parties, social organizations, student bodies, women's groups, and concerned citizens of Karbi Anglong. Dear brothers and sisters, we, the undersigned, on behalf of the Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement, comprising FHLC, ASDC, KNCA, KSA, WKSA, ASDC Youth Front, APHLC, Women's Central Executive Committee, UKYA, PYDC, and UPDS Welfare Society, extend this heartfelt and urgent appeal to all organizations and people of Karbi Anglong, regardless of political affiliation, tribe, or ideology. Our long-standing demand for the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India is not a demand for privilege, but a plea for justice. A justice promised by the Parliament in 1969.
News Report KATV News. Kidamtang aruni pho ani lakhain ko ratrok duarbaguri MSC Constituency angtang ke kangadong English High School along ingdeng kep ka Charlie Bom school somara tumaphan kidamtang surihini ro inkora pli inkora pho ani kana baha phan pura ake joypen bicycle kirona sai dengpo Pierthelong kinang sora hin langdam pulote toklang hin henlo bonta ki ongdong loka Charlie Klim somaratum iskula hem ka helo pena jok kidam kibang penang anaki sungdo laso pen jokban ki longjia phanpura sorkara hin pen matha ponsi cycle aki joy pen pipon rintilo Chief Minister Special Package pen class 9 pen 10 ka Charlie Bom students atuma phan aki joy pen bicycle kiron lake students atum kaiketa school ke padun verjia phansi siding ponde Asamangkang pialong setami surihini ra inkora plipen inkora pho abaha phanpura ake joy pen cycle kiron pon boma sonsi duarbaguri constituency along setami ron ponlo
Chalo
Duarbaguri constituency BDC chairman Sarkoi Rongphar kachepa hemphu panamayalong Duarbaguri BJP mandal maipu amuron terang Rada Sai Klembang Larson Phangchu Kikangadong English High School Principal Edmondson Langmi Lapen School Staffatum Chetong Dunrinti.
I have something to say that I'm very happy. Today you all are going to receive a free bicycle. La so cycle ke ado era chini lo la ke ani tuma pan la dak ke kandong principal atumpen nang kipadu piponsi nang tumapan amen kado ka bethaponsi kitam tang for class 9 nang tum dogo mahut amen ansongan palesi pragyan bharti scheme to ben assam kan sira so cycle
KAC Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangpen local MEC Anparta Education EM Richard Tok Biatuma Phanta Choropon Lapuson kidu kelak students atuma phan kerap ke pajur thega pot puta students atumpen ningjepon Athema non ke kidam kibang joy muchot puputa than ponthu bang so ke joy pen cycle kirona sailong kadokabe bang thom kebra ke thom students atuma phan aki joy pen ron ponlo
Chalo
Diring pen Thompson Terang KATV News
Pinya Berta ke Lansi Kangton pon iklo domi thak me kardom